The 1994 Canadian 1-cent coin is part of Canada's long history of 1-cent coins, which were in circulation until they were discontinued in 2012. Below is detailed information about the 1994 Canadian penny. General information. Country: Canada. Year: 1994. Denomination: 1 cent. Value: 1 cent. Status: no longer in circulation. The Canadian penny was discontinued in 2012. Mint: Royal Canadian Mint. Specifications. Composition: 98% copper, 1.5% zinc, 0.5% tin. Weight: 2.50 grams. Diameter: 19.1 millimeters. Thickness: 1.45 millimeters. Edge smooth. Obverse front design. Portrait: Queen Elizabeth II, third portrait. Designer: Dora de Pettery-Hunt. Description: the obverse features a right-facing portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, wearing a pearl necklace. Text: Elizabeth II DG Regina, Latin for Elizabeth II by the grace of God Queen. Reverse back design. Design: maple leaves on a twig. Designer: George Kruger Gray. Description: the reverse of the coin features 2 maple leaves on a single stem, a design that had been used since 1937. Text: 1 cent 1994 Canada. Mintage and rarity. Mintage: total coins produced 624,983,000. Common or rare. Very common, not considered rare. Value and collectability. Face value: 0 Canadian dollars and 1 cent. Circulated condition: typically worth face value. Uncirculated condition: MS 60 to MS 65 10 cents to $1 CAD. Proof or special strikes: may be worth more, up to $10 or more. Interesting facts. The 1994 penny was one of the last years to be made with mostly copper. In 1997, the composition changed to copper-plated zinc. The 2 maple leaf design is one of the longest-running designs in Canadian coin history, 1937 to 2012. While pennies are no longer in circulation, they are still legal tender. Would you like information on grading, error coins, or specific ways to determine value?